Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to unbox and review some of these vehicles. This is the 70th anniversary Matchbox Collectors series that I have been waiting for a while. I finally found this yesterday at Walmart. Actually, I found 5 of the 7 cars. 2 vehicles belong to my friend Lenny, so I borrowed them from him, and I'm still looking for those too. But anyways, let's just go through these real quick, and I will be unboxing a couple of them and comparing them to some of the models that I already have in my collection. So without any further ado, let's look at the 2 vehicles that are not mine, that are my friend Lenny's, and just have a quick look at them. I'm not going to unbox these, I'm just going to have a quick peek at them through the card. So this one is a Jaguar D-Type from 1954. Let's just look at the box itself here. So it says Matchbox 70 year special edition, Matchbox Collectors. There's the graphics and there's the car itself. So this one has 70 on it. I've been told that this one might have a metal base. Can't confirm it because I can't open it, but that's what I've been told. So if anyone does open this and can confirm that for us, that'd be fantastic. And let's just have a look at the back of this package as well. It's 1954 Jaguar D-Type. So it's the Canadian packaging, as you can see, imported by Mattel Canada Inc. Mississauga, it says at the back there, and then the various licenses. So I do have a few versions of this in my collection. I did not pull it out. It's a decent car. It's not one I love, but glad my friend Lenny lent it to me so I could do this review and show you guys what this car is all about. Next vehicle we have here also belongs to my friend Lenny. This one I really do wish I had. It's the Porsche 910. As you guys know, I do love my Porsches. I'm going to keep a keen eye out for this particular vehicle at Walmart. Graphics there. Look at that vehicle. Love the orange tires. Not sure how I feel about the gray and orange, but you know, it's sort of a nice, it's a different unique styling that Matchbox has done for this 70th anniversary of theirs. Fantastic vehicle, number 70, decent enough car, and fully detailed, as you can see. So all the bells and whistles. They're about 8 Canadian a car, so somewhat pricey. And once again, this one I've been told is also a metal base, but once again, I can't confirm it. So if I do happen to find a set for myself, I will crack them open and have a look. And from what I gather, I think the rest are plastic bases. So let's have a look at this. I love this casting. This is the 3rd or 4th version of it that I own. It also came as in blue as a premium, and then I think I have it in white or a cream, as well as yellow. Didn't pull them out, didn't have time to do so, but let's just have a quick look at this. So it's a Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. Look at that. What a fantastic vehicle. I would love to own one of these in real life. Not sure I would be able to afford the gas bill or the repairs, but absolutely fantastic vehicle. There's a quick look at the back. Just gonna move along real quick here, guys. I've been spending way too long on some of my videos, so I'm just gonna try and shorten some of these up. Next, we're gonna look at the MGB GT Coupe. These boxes are really, really nice. The red with the gray car. Very, very different from the usual Matchbox boxes, which are some form of yellow. Graphics are really nice. And of course, we've seen this vehicle several times as well. We have it in yellow, we have it in red, we have it in olive green. Look at the detailing on this. Just fantastic. This one looks like it's got a plastic chrome base. It's really, really nice. And then I did pull one out. So there it is in yellow. I'm just gonna crack this open real quick so that we can have a quick look at it. There that is out of its package. I'm just doing a quick comparison. So they both seem to be fully detailed. That's actually a really sharp looking car as well. Look at that. Looks really good in the yellow. 1971 MGB GT Coupe. I love this thing in yellow. I think it looks really, really good. Moving right along. Okay, let's look at my this one might be my favorite casting in this series. It is the Toyota 4Runner. Pretty sure it's a 1981 Toyota 4Runner. These things sell for ridiculous amounts in Canada. In Vancouver, I see these, you know, go for 40 plus Canadian sometimes. Amazing vehicle, really, really nice casting. I hope I find another one so I can open it. I have been adding to my 4Runner collection. I think I have 4 or 5 of them now, this particular casting. I will probably open them all at the same time. I'm just waiting to see if I can find this one. And then I will crack them all open. Or a second version of this. This is a very, very nice casting. Look at the detail on the front there. Apologize for the glare, guys. I'm right next to a window and it's a bit of a gloomy day today. But yet there is a lot of reflective light for some reason. Very, very sharp. Back is not detailed. Look at that, $8. And Matchbox didn't do us the courtesy of finishing it off. Like, how much more do we need to pay to get that extra little bit of detailing done? Thanks for that, Matchbox. All right, so last 2 castings I'm gonna actually open, but let's just have a look at them real quick. So this one is the 1993 Ford Mustang LX SSP, and it's been done as a police car. It's really, really nice. Once again, back is not detailed. Not sure why that is. The front's not detailed either. There's no number plate. I guess police cars don't necessarily have a number plate, but it does have the plastic inclusion for lights, which is nice, and it does say police on top there. All right, so let's have a look at that, and then let's have a look at this Audi wagon, the 2002 Audi RS6 Avant wagon, 70th anniversary, fantastic graphics. I do collect this one, so I will be opening this up. And also, I'm just sick of storing these things. They take so much space, and it's such a shame not to open them up. So I am definitely cracking as many of these vehicles as I can. This one's really nice, and I have a bunch of these to compare it to. So give me a second while I open those 2, and we will have a closer look at them. So I've opened both vehicles up, as you can see, and that's what's inside of them. So let's have a look at the box itself first. It's a really sharp box, lots of details. Really paying homage to the old school. I think even the font they use is similar to what was used back in the day. Looks really, really nice. Colors are definitely very different, but these are the colors they chose for whatever reason for their 70th anniversary for all the special edition vehicles. So let's look at the car itself. So it comes in this little plastic inclusion, which you can store the car in. There it is. So plastic base, as you can see. Rubber tires. Quite nice actually. These orange tires are actually quite nice. I'm not sure I love them on a police car, but again, it's, look at this, you pay $8 plus tax for a car and it's not fully done. Like, what is, like, how much are they really saving by not doing that line? It's a bit of paint and one extra run. You charge premium prices, provide premium products is my only suggestion to Matchbox. That's really nice. And then just to show you some other police cars in that same line, none of the others are premium or collector's edition. These are just mainline. This one was a 9-pack exclusive from a couple of years ago. I actually think this one's nicer, to be honest with you. At least it's got the little side backlight, brake light I should say. You know, back's not done, but when you display it like that, you can't really tell, can you? Whereas with this, it just feels like it's not finished. Look at that, the back of it. Here's another version that I have in my collection. I do have it in brown as well. I can't remember if it's part of a 5-pack, but I couldn't find it right off the top. But I do know I have this also in brown. This one says Highway Patrol, and we've seen several police cars with that particular livery. And then last but not least, we also have this particular vehicle. Texas Department of Public Safety, State Trooper. Once again, they don't seem to finish the back on any of these. But really nice casting, very, very true to the original model, the actual model. Look at that, really, really sharp with the light gray interior. So those are the 4 versions that I have out, and I know for sure I have it in brown as well, but I just couldn't find it. Alright, so last but not least, the Audi Avant wagon. Alright, let's have a look at the box again. A little closer look at it. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because it's basically the same general feel as the box we just looked at with the Mustang. There's the back. 70th anniversary special edition on the top. And then let's have a look at the car itself. So this one's actually interesting. I think it has some sort of an error. So on the back of it, it says Audi RS6 Avant 2004, which I think is the correct model year. And if you look at the box, for some reason, it says 2002 Audi RS6 Avant. And then I did compare it to one of the, let's just do a different color so that it's obvious. So here's a red version of it, and 2004. So it seems like all the models have 2004. I got a bunch of them there. But on the box, for some reason, there is an error. They got the year wrong. So look at this, fully detailed. It says Matchbox 70th year anniversary. The paint's actually quite a flat color, flat gray. It's actually quite coarse, the paint, when you touch it. You can almost see the texture of it. You actually feel that texture when you touch it. You can see it. You can see the coarseness of it. But I think that's the finish that they wanted on these particular vehicles. And look at that, fully detailed, looks fantastic. 70 MBX Audi. There's the front of it. Look at that. We know they included that safety bar at the back, which is just horrible, but I'm Not sure Matchbox has a way around it. R51, signifying that it was made last year in the 51st week, so late last year. Came to Vancouver on April 16th, I think. What's the date today? April 19th. First time I've seen it at a Walmart. Managed to get 5 of the 7. I'm still missing the Porsche and the Jag, which I hope to find soon. So just to look at some of the other ones. So this one is a gunmetal dark gray. It came in the 5-pack from last year, and then there's a 70th anniversary pack that also has the same vehicle. Shame on you, Matchbox, for creating the same vehicles on your 70th anniversary as you did the previous year. I don't think we've had new 5-packs in Vancouver for probably 3 months now. This is quite a nice vehicle though. Look at that. Look at the detailing. Very, very nice. Then I got several different versions. This is it in blue. I think this might be from the Germany set. This particular one is with a black interior. There's also one with a blue one with a beige interior that I don't own, that I am actively searching for, so I can add it to my collection. I think there's like 15 or 16 different versions of this vehicle now. I have a few of them, but I don't have them all, and even the versions I have, some of them have been played with. This one's just dusty for some reason. This one's actually not damaged at all, just a little dusty. It's really nice. It's a hard one to find. Metallic green. And you can notice this one's actually a little bit older. It doesn't have that safety bar at the back there. It's actually, this casting I really, really like. It's so true to the actual vehicle, and you can, just to show you guys the safety bar, see that there. The newer vehicles have that. The older ones, it was not a requirement. So this one's a play-worn version. It's got a few dings, as you can see, but actually it's not bad as far as condition goes. Once again, an older version without that safety bar at the back. You can sort of see that there's nothing there. Not the best set of wheels, but it does work on this particular vehicle. And it's really, really nice. And then I think the white one is newer, and you can see that. It's got the safety bar at the back there. The safety bar that's been included, unfortunately. Yeah, these are great. This is one car that I hope to get every single casting of. They're really hard to find, actually. I just found this the other day at the toy show in Vancouver. This one is, I paid $1 for it. It is definitely play-worn. Not only is it play-worn, a kid really enjoyed this one because they even painted in, and actually they did a fairly decent job on the color match. They not so good a job of the actual painting. But once again, it's a placeholder car, and I am glad to have it because something is better than nothing. And it's also reminds me that this is one I need to find and replace with a better version. And then maybe I can swap it or trade it with someone so that they have it in their collection until they find a good version. And then once again, another car that's been play-worn, that has some play wear on it, but once again, one that I haven't found in pristine condition. So yeah, some placeholder vehicles, but nevertheless, it just reminds me there's cars I still need that I'm still actively looking for. And that's it, guys. So this is a 20-minute video. I was hoping that it would be take less time than that, and I was very, very excited to receive these cars, to find them. And thanks again, Lenny, for lending me the 2 cars so I could review all of them. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you haven't liked the video, please do that as well. I have another 5-pack that I'm also going to review in a couple of days, so look out for that. Have a fantastic weekend, guys, and I will see you soon on this channel.